Now, I did a little video a while ago about upgrading my mailbox and adding electronics. I just got an email saying I have mail. So I figured it's a good opportunity to do part 2 and illustrate some of the things we did with it. Let's go and have a look at our new mailbox. We need one of these keys too. It should allow the mailbox to open. Indeed, we have a letter, which is a okay, so we have in here, we have the weights we previously added, some magnets that help the door snap shut, and a magnet sensor here, which is hot glued in but wedged in the top of that bolt. These go back into the electronics, which are now flashing. So we're going to push the reset button, which resets the ESP32 on board. We can shut the lid. We can lock our mailbox again. And the fact that this drops shut means that it can hold in things. I do have a few other things going here for a doorbell system, but that's in a whole different video. But so far this explains how we resolved all of those other issues with the sensor. One issue I do need to fix is because I've used springs for the latch, it can wiggle sideways. I need to put a guide on the other side so that things go past the magnet sensor more frequently. Alright, so it's early morning. Earlier than usual, and the doorbell, or rather the mailbox doorbell, keeps going off. Let's go have a look. What's going on here? Is our light flashing? Our light seems to be flashing. Okay, I guess there's something going on in here. Let's have a look. We have mail, and of course this thing hasn't shut properly. So I probably need to keep a guide on here to keep it in position. But it works. It's just an advertising sheet. Alright, so reset. I think we've got some mods to do yet.